Hello, my beautiful people. Thanks for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous episode. If you're here for the first time, I recommend watching the last video where we talked about prom night in the United States. Now let's test what you've learned. Let's begin. Is prom night usually held at the beginning of the school year? No, it's held at the end of the school year. Is prom short for promotion? No, it's short for promenade. Do students wear casual clothes to prom? No, they wear formal outfits like gowns and tuxedos. Is prom only about dancing and music? No, it's also about celebrating the end of high school and creating memories. Did prom become popular in the 1950s? Yes, it became a major teen tradition during that time. Are only seniors allowed to attend prom? No, in some schools, juniors can attend or have their own prom. Do students vote for a prom king and queen? Yes, it's one of the highlights of the event. Is prom usually held at a local park? No, it's usually held in a decorated school gym or rent a hall. Do students spend weeks preparing for prom? Yes, many plan their outfits, transportation, and photos in advance. Is prom a small celebration with only teachers? No, it's a major student event celebrating teenage milestones. Watch this feedback video again to reinforce everything you've learned. And don't forget to subscribe so you're always ready for the next episode of this amazing series about English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.